Hi, today we're going to be working on an MSI gaming laptop. This is the G63 thin model, and customer's complaint is the machine came from the factory with a 256 M.2 SSD, and after downloading a few games, obviously he's run out of space. So in this video we're going to be upgrading to this M.2 SSD. Okay, this is a crucial 1 terabyte. I'm going to take you through the steps. Okay, so using this external M.2 SSD to USB adapter, we are going to clone the original SSD. Okay, so now that we've got the M.2 connected, we are going to reboot into the UEFI settings, holding down the left shift button and pressing restart. This will take us into the Windows recovery options. If you've done this correctly, you will see please wait. Okay, so now we're in the Windows recovery environment. Select troubleshoot, advanced options, and then we have the UEFI firmware settings. Restart. Now the computer will restart and take you to the UEFI settings, otherwise used to be known as the BIOS settings. So from here we want to do two things. One, we want to disable the secure boot, because we want to boot from our USB thumb drive, which has the software to clone the disk. And two, obviously we want to select the thumb drive as the first boot device. Okay, under security you will find secure boot. By default it's enabled. You'll have to disable that. There we go, disabled. And then we can select the thumb drive as the first device to boot from. Okay, so now the machine has booted from the thumb drive. We're going to be using True Image. Okay, so now the True Image is booted up. Tools and Utilities, and we're going to select Clone Disk. Automatic Settings. Source disk obviously is the disk which is already in the laptop. That's the 256 Kingston. Select that. Next. Software is going to search for available drives as the destination drive. Okay, so here we go. We're going to select the 1 tera crucial drive. Not initialized, that's correct. And next. Here's what the before and after is going to look like. So obviously before the drive is completely empty. After, we have the data copied across. And there we go. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. Let's let the software do its magic. Okay, software is completed doing the clone. Okay, all we need to do now is turn off the machine, swap out the M.2 drives, and job's done. Okay, so back cover comes off, easy enough. You just have to remove some screws. Just be aware, this particular model, the back cover does wrap around the audio ports. So when you remove the cover, remove it from the opposite side of the audio ports first, so that you don't snag the cover on these ports here. Okay, so back cover comes off. There's the holes I was talking about to cover the audio. We have access now to the M.2 SSD. One screw, out comes the old drive, in goes the new one. Just be careful at this stage because the motherboard is live, because you have a battery connected. Don't drop any screws. Just take care. Okay, as we can see here in the disk management, the drive is showing up. Everything is partitioned properly. Re-enable secure boot and set the boot device priority back to Windows Boot Manager. And that's it, job done. That's how you upgrade your M.2 SSD from a 250 to a 1 tera. Thanks for watching.